Shifting focus now to the battle for Bihar, Prime Minister Narendra Modi unleashed his most severe offensive on the Nitish Lalu alliance in Darbhanga in a rally in Darbhanga yesterday, accusing them of sheltering terrorists. Referring to the Darbhanga module of terror outfit Indian Mujahideen, the Prime Minister asked voters if they want a government in Bihar that shields terrorists and those who are indulging in terror activities. He also accused the state government of forcing a woman police officer to leave Bihar when she was close to establishing a link between the Darbhanga terror module and a leader from the Grand Alliance. Prime Minister Modi charged his political rivals with playing with national security.
जब पुणे में बम धमाके हुए, जब मुंबई में बम धमाके हुए, तो हमारे देश में आतंक की दुनिया के अंदर एक शब्द प्रयोग चल पड़ा था। वो शब्द प्रयोग ये चला था कि दरभंगा मॉड्यूल ये शब्द चला था। और कारण ये था कि कुछ लोग यहां बैठ करके हिंदुस्तान में आतंकवाद फैलाने का षड्यंत्र कर रहे थे। और यहां पर एक जाबाज पुलिस अधिकारी महिला थी, दलित कन्या थी, उसने हिंदुस्तान की रक्षा के लिए, निर्दोष नागरिकों की रक्षा के लिए ये आतंकवादी गतिविधि करने वाले लोगों के तार ढूंढने की कोशिश की। और जब तार ढूंढने की कोशिश की, यही महास्वार्थ बंधन के नेताओं के निकट के साथी, निकट के नेता, उनके घर तक ये दरभंगा आतंकवाद मॉड्यूल के तार जाने लगे थे। तब सरकार में बैठे लोगों ने आतंकवाद की प्रवृत्तियों पर आशीर्वाद देने वाले नेताओं पर कदम नहीं उठाया, लेकिन वो पुलिस अफसर जो दलित कन्या थी उसको यहां से जाने के लिए मजबूर कर दिया, उसको बिहार छोड़ने के लिए मजबूर कर दिया। क्या भाइयों बहनों, देश की सुरक्षा के साथ इस प्रकार का खिलवाड़ करने वाले लोग, आतंकवादियों को पनाह देने वाले लोगों पर दी कृपा दृष्टि करने वाले लोग, क्या ऐसे लोगों को पटना में बिठाएंगे? क्या ऐसे लोगों की सरकार बनाएंगे क्या?
Following Prime Minister Modi's attack on Lalu and Nitish over the Darbhanga terror module, the party has put out advertisements in major national dailies raising questions about the terror module and Yassin Bhatkal. BJP has posed 9 questions for Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. In the last 2 questions, the party has demanded answers as to why the land of Buddha and Ashoka is now known as Darbhanga terror module and why the government refrained from arresting terrorists like Yassin Bhatkal.
Voting for the final phase of Bihar elections going to take place on 5th of November, but Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday at his Darbhanga rally raised the issue of terror and also that how Darbhanga module was taking shape in the last 3 to 4 years, and that is why he raised questions to Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar that why Darbhanga module has been allowed to thrive in the state and why no action has been taken. And now the BJP has latched on to this issue of terror and Darbhanga module, and now today they have come out with an ad in the newspaper. This is a 9-point ad that has been published by the BJP, and questions have been raised to Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar over several issues like the scams and Jungle Raj, but the last 2 points are very vital here because these are related to the Darbhanga module. The question is how the land of Buddha and Ashok has been allowed to become a land of Darbhanga module. And questions have been raised regarding this, and also Yassin Bhatkal, who was apprehended from the Bihar, that why the Bihar police was refusing that he was arrested from Bihar at that point of time. So questions have been raised that is not Bihar's Chief Minister Nitish Kumar indulging into appeasement politics, and Prime Minister himself raised that issue yesterday at his Darbhanga rally, and now the BJP has come out with these ads in the newspapers raising the question of Darbhanga, how Bihar has turned into Darbhanga module, how people in this across the country know Bihar as a hub of terror, and why no action has been initiated to crack down on this Darbhanga module. This is Rohit Singh in Saharsa for India Today.